Hi everybody, this is Joanna with the Abstract Art Journal, and today I was going to do a review and demo for White Knight's watercolor set of 36. So the first video I wasn't recording apparently. So I went ahead and did the swatches, but I wanted you to see what the beautiful colors look like. And basically I got the 36 color so that you can get basically every color. And you don't really have to mix unless you really want to. But what I really liked was that there was a large color of the pinks and reds, also the blues and the greens and turquoises. And then I really like this particular burnt sienna, raw sienna. You know, these are really light colors, which I really like, and the indigo had a really pretty blue tint, and their Payne's gray was very pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the set, and then I'll do a demo for you. So I'll turn this around. Okay, here's the set that you actually get. So it's very pretty. It's got this. It's got the extra tray, which you can take out, and you can do mixing in here if you wish. And these are all the pretty colors. Now the colors look really close to what they actually are. So that's what you get for the 36 color set. So we'll go ahead and put this away. Well, actually, no, we will not be putting it away because I'm going to be using, I'll show you what color I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and paint some tulips, and I'm going to be using this the Madder Lake Red Light, this color. And I'm going to use a water brush. Okay. Oh. Basically, I'm going to go ahead and paint water on the actual flower, and then we'll go ahead and drop in some color. And that way I can just pull it out. Okay, so there's your tulips, And I hope you liked the video. And thanks for watching, and have a great art day.